Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you're gonna generate captions in one of your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have a short video, so I'm just gonna launch Adobe Premiere Pro. So hey guys, so you're gonna click on window right here and then go to text. Okay, and then you're gonna click on this transcribe. Okay, so this thing will transcribe the following video. All right, so now you can correction right here. So let's see. Hey guys, so it's me. Let's listen. Sphere Gaming. All right, so here it says Sphere. It's Sphere. It's not Sphere. It's Yashvir. Yashvir Gaming. Yeah, you can do some auto correction right there. Okay, Sphere Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and also ring that bell notification because. All right, so you're good. Okay, so once you're ready, so once you've found that you've autocorrect all the captions, so then click this CC button right there which says create captions. So for the subtitle default, I'm just gonna keep that as subtitle default. Then click here, and as for the style, just leave it to none. This thing, maximum length in characters, I usually keep it at 14. And then this one maybe to 1.5. Okay, gap, 0 gap, and keep it on single line. So now click create captions. Okay, so you can see that it's going to add this. So if you hide it here, show all caption tracks, so it's gonna create a caption tracks like this for you. All right, so as you can see, now let's play the video and I'm gonna show you what it meant. Okay, hey guys, so as you can see right now, the caption has been added. It's me, Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Okay, but it isn't the best right now, so we need to edit this. I'll go to window, essential, and graphics right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna select the whole thing, and now let's add some fonts. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Obelix. Okay, Obelix right there, and this one I'm gonna set it as 130. All right, just like that. Now all caps, all the words will be in caps. Okay, so I'd like to give a stroke like this, all in black, and I would also like to add a little shadow to the text, so you can increase that by increase that like that. Okay, so here let's play it now. Let's play and see what happens. So it's me, Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like. Okay, so once you're in here, let me try something. Okay, so this Yashvir. So this hey guys. Okay, let me do like yellowish or something like that. So I'm just gonna copy this, copy, and also this one as well. I'm just gonna paste this thing. All right. If you like the video. So the word subscribe right here. I want this one as red. Okay, so yeah, you can stylish the whole thing as ring that bell notification. Okay, maybe this one that has whatever color you'd like to give. Okay, and then this one as well. So just paste the whole thing, Control C, Control V. All right, so yeah, Okay, so once you feel that you've done that much, okay, so the video ends right there. So I'm gonna add it like here, and the video starts from here. Let me see that. Okay, yeah, as you can see, I have some. Let me see. Let's press play. Hey guys. Yeah, so it starts right about there. So I can control K to cut, or I can just extend this like right here. Okay, then I'm gonna move the whole thing like at the front. All right. Now if I zoom out, hey guys, it should look something like this. So it's me, Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and also ring that bell notification. Okay, so yeah, now it's not ready yet, but what can you can do more to it. So you wanna select the whole thing like that, then go to graphics and titles, and then upgrade captions to graphic. So this will automatically bring it down right here. Okay. All right. So let's see. As for this one, now what you wanna do, guys? Yeah. As for this one right there, so you wanna go to effects and control. Yeah, right here below in your project title media browser, you wanna go to effects right there, and you wanna search for transform. Okay, and in the video effects right there, just uncollapse this, distort or whatever, transform. I just drag this and add it into the first block right here. Okay, now we're gonna add a scale on our first letter. So to toggle the scale, so you wanna click this on this round thing, toggle animation. Then what you wanna do, you wanna use your arrow keys on your keyboard, just like that. So, or you can use your mouse, just a few frames like that, and you wanna click this button right here, the middle button, to add another keyframe. Okay, so this one shall be 100. Okay, next you wanna move the whole thing, and you wanna put 100 right here. Okay, so now watch what will happen. And I also like to add the shutter angle 150 on that. Okay, so let's press play and see. Sphere Gaming. Yeah, so as you can see, you will have this like blur effects like that. See, and then the text starts showing up. Okay, so where is it? Effects, motion, video effects. So you have to select that text. So I want you to click on the transform right here. Okay, click on that, right click, copy, and now just so now to add the whole effect on all these blocks, select those, and if you're Windows, just Control V. Okay, like that, and it will be added. Now I want you to, so we're gonna add it on every other captions like that. So this here. Okay, so you want to select that up right there, and all you want to do, Control V on your keyboard, and it will automatically add that. And let's see, yeah, it automatically add that thing. Okay, so scale, just like that. Hey guys, so it's me, Yashvir. So see from the beginning, guys, see what happens. So you have we have successfully added that blur effect on your text. See, I'm gonna press play right now. Hey guys, so it's me, Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Alright, so as you can see, guys, this is how we're gonna how we usually do that. Add these amazing captions like Mr. Beast captions. Guys, just render the thing in 4K or 1080p, whatever that you do, and I'm sure you'd be good to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave me a comment if this works for you or not.